As part of the March for Business event, we're running this beginner's social media course because I feel it's really important that businesses get behind the digital technology that's now available to them. This will enable their businesses to really grow and go forward. Hopefully tonight we'll have a great discussion event. It's not about me just stood here at the front telling you what to do, it's about sharing good practice around the table. Everyone will come away with something tonight, whether that's how to improve their Facebook that they're already doing, or indeed how to even start off with social media, or embrace social media from the ground up. It's important that all businesses have a social media presence because whether you're online or not, your customers are online, and actually it's your customers that are either wanting to connect with you, engage with you, or actually already talking about you. And if they're already talking about you, you need to know exactly what they're saying. Social media's now gone one step further. It is actually about, generating content, engagement, but it's more than that. It is actually leading to business growth now.
On the course, we've been looking at creating a social media strategy and a plan of how we're going to use our social media to improve the business. And I really feel like I'm now capable of putting a plan in place to improve the way I use social media to promote my business. Coming to these events, these lectures and courses has been fantastic because I really feel now I'm energised. I really want to take my business forward, and it's been really helpful with that information on funding, practical things like the social media. It's all been really, really valuable.